boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's five-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, my friends, no matter where you are in this beautiful world of ours. Greetings to you and your family. I hope you are safe and sound, and I hope you are sea-free. You know what I'm talking about. Sea-free. You and your family, my friends. My friends, I'm going to talk to you a second here about Bitcoin. I'm going to talk to you a second here about uranium here in a second, my friends. As you know, those are two of the four areas that we cover. We also cover cannabis, and we also cover gold and the silver area, my friends, both of which are kind of in the crapper right now. But my friends, Bitcoin, and if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe, my friends. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know that the algorithm is working. Let me know that you are being broken off somewhere, somehow, my friends. My friends, Bitcoin lately. What's Bitcoin's on a little run, right? Little mini run. I don't think this is the moon run. Is it the moon run? You guys let me know. As we said, Bitcoin would be going to 52K, right? And we said after 52, 53K, it was coming back down. It had to retrace back down, and then boom, boom, we're headed back up right now. We're at 53, 54, 55 or so right now, my friends. Is this the true breakout? Is this the real deal? Are we headed to 60, 70, and 80? Not so fast, guys. I still think there's the possibility, as slim as it is, my friends, there's a possibility that this is still somewhat of a bull trap, my friends. And we're going to have a lot of people trapped up top there there's a possibility. Now, give me 50, 58, 59 or so, and give me an all-time high, and it's a clean breakout. That's the easy route, right? Because, my friends, our ancillary stocks, our baby knockouts that we got in super early are not really reacting the way I think they should react. What am I talking about? I'm talking about high blockchain technologies, Frank Holmes, which we got in at under 10 cents. Over $3 now. It's on the NASDAQ exchange, which is a great thing. HUT 8 also, which we got in at under 40 cents, is also on the NASDAQ, and it's over $10 USD. So it's doing well. One's over 3, one's over 10. They're doing well, my friends. But we expected a bigger upward move on them because we're seeing what Bitcoin is doing, and Bitcoin is leading the way, and with Hive, we have that Ethereum, and we also have that Bitcoin exposure, and we expected much, maybe I'm asking too much from these stocks, and we got in them, we got in them all early, we got it in the book there, we all got in them super early, so it's a wait and see right now, my friends. Yeah, it's kind of disturbing because our other stocks are additional, are ancillary, are not. Those stocks are not moving. They're moving in the opposite direction. As Bitcoin goes up, they're going down. So is there a contrarian play going on here now with them and with Bitcoin? I don't know. We got to let this thing play out, guys. We'll just let it play out, and see how it goes. And we should know here probably in the next couple weeks or so. It may be a little sideways trading, but we'll see here probably in the next couple weeks or so. That's what's happening right now with Bitcoin. It's wait and see, but we are dancing. We're bringing to the dance our baby knockouts, high blockchain technologies, and HUT 8 primary. Now, some guys have said, hey, I'm playing the options on Marathon. I'm playing the options on Riot blockchain. Great, no problem. And if you were in with us at under 92 cents for Riot, congratulations, guys. You've done exceptionally well. Guys, let's segue over to uranium right now. What's going on with uranium? Well, I believe that the Sprott market, which is spot market, is really the Sprott market, guys, because right now I believe that there's an issue going on in America, that USA, that's affecting the Sprott, and because we're unable to purchase it right now. There's some brokers and there's some things going on. They had to fill out. It's a paperwork issue. They had to fill out a form and it wasn't filled out or what have you. They're waiting for approval now. Whatever the deal is, right? They're going to take care of it. Sprott they're big boys over there. They know what's going on. A lot of experience, years and years and years of experience over there. They know exactly what's going on. The experiment worked when they were purchasing on the spot market hand over fist. Yeah, they drive the stock market up. They drive the spot market up a little bit, and so we know it works. And now they got to just unleash it, and hopefully it'll be unleashed sooner rather than later. I think people are looking too much into a New York Exchange listing when they say the middle of next year, the second quarter of. What are you kidding? This thing could be wrapped up before. It could really be wrapped up before year end. I'm not going on record saying. I was saying Mickey D said they're going to get by the year end, but I think no way out to the second quarter. That's crazy thinking to me. Because I've been involved with companies, my friends, that have had an exchange wrapped up in 60 days. And I knew these guys were, as soon as they put their application in, I knew what time it was. And then there's other companies I've been associated with here lately. Take Next Tech technology. Them guys didn't even know what they were doing. I was telling a friend, because they were $5, $6, $7, they put in their NASDAQ application. They didn't even have they didn't even have the BOD filled out, the board of directors. They didn't even have people assigned here. You can have straw people here and there, but you got to have names and you got to have a lot of information, guys. And they didn't even have that. And I told them, I said, no way they're going to be able to. They're $1 or something now, So you can find out early on if they know what they're doing when they put in their application, and the things that they're missing if they get rejected the first time, the things they're missing on their application. I mean, if you put an application and you're missing name, address, and phone number, there's an issue. Would you say that? There's an issue. So we look forward to them being approved here. It could come possibly before the year is over. Sprott could be approved for the New York Stock Exchange. I mean, I'm not looking way out to the middle of, and especially with what's going on right now. They've frozen these guys out of the United States market, the biggest markets in the world. And we can't purchase, but we can sell the physical trust. That's a bunch of baloney, right? You guys, this is the Sprott. You guys come out. When you come out, man, come out firing, man. Come out firing. Don't worry about what the market. If you corner the market and run the price up to $500 a pound, I ain't mad at you. Because they use these little technicalities to get around things, a little paperwork here, and you didn't fill this out, and you didn't do this, and you didn't do that, you didn't dot the I on this one, you didn't cross the T here. Things like that can mess up a company, and they're not going to mess you up. You guys have it under control. But other companies, I've seen them mess up other companies before because other companies didn't know what they were doing. Like I said, there's so much experience there at Sprott that they know what they're doing, and they've got a lawyer in every closet, so they know what they're doing, guys. And I'm sure that that minor detail will be handled here probably in the next month or so. But I'm looking big. I'm looking at the big fish. I'm looking further out. I'm looking for. I'm like baseload. I'm like James Sykes. He's found a fish there, a discovery, and he's thinking there's a pool there. There's a lot of other fish in. We gotta put a hole here. We gotta drill here. We gotta drill there. We gotta drill. I'm seeing it all right now. That's the way you want to be, Sprott. When the time comes, you want to pounce. You want to pounce. Make this thing happen, man. And do your thing, man. Do your thing. That's my pep talk for Sprott, if they needed it. I don't think they need it. But this is a little disheartening to people, when the stocks go down and the spot market goes from 50 down to 37, 75 or so, and sinking daily. We formed some big bearish candlestick today on some of the charts, and we'll see what next week brings. If we go down a little further, guys, be looking at that at 20, 25, 30% pullback. Never waste a good pullback in a bear market. In a bull market rather. I'm sorry, a bull market, right? Don't waste a pullback, man. This fundamentals are the same. Nothing's changed, guys, with that uranium. So, companies that make discoveries like baseload is going to do very well. And we think it has elevated its status here. And once we get the assays back, you're going to see if things pan out the way they have and they look as good as those or better, then it's adjacent partner there, adjacent company, 92 Energy, things are going to be very well because 92E is a company, and quite a few of our subscribers did jump on that a few weeks ago. They got 92E at like a quarter, and now it's up to 75 cents, 70 cents or something. And I wasn't able personally to participate in that because the symbol on our OTC, I think it was on the pink sheets or something, it's kind of inactive, man. And you can't trade when a stock goes, well, that's a story for another day, guys. But I wasn't in position to take advantage of that. Sure, we owned baseload, and who knows, maybe baseload, who does have the dinero, will go ahead and buy 92E. Why not? They're right next to you. A 92E right now is selling everything. So if you listen to me, baseload, or you listen to me, James, 92E is selling everything. So why wouldn't they sell you the rest of what you need to have your district-wide area there? I don't know, just a suggestion. That's all. Just a friendly shareholder suggestion. Buy 92E and double the size of the discovery. Why not? Why not? Why not? You heard it here on the scoop. That's the scoop, man. We giving you the scoop right now. Buy 92E. It's for sale. Do I have to? I will negotiate the deal for you. I will. Just give me a call, James. Give me a call. I will baseload. If you have any problems with that deal, just let me know. I can negotiate that deal for chief negotiator, man. I mean, I was invited to Harvard to do some. That's back in the day. I'm an OG now, man. So anyway, love you. God bless you guys. Take care of you and your family. Just being humorous, just being funny. Don't take this, James. Please don't call me and ask me about buying. If you're gonna do it, you're gonna do it. It ain't got nothing to do with me. Okay. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. There's some videos for you, and there's also some links for you guys. Hey, this is drinks for you. We're going to have a great trading week. God bless you. Take care.